Hey gang, welcome back to the review channel. Today we're looking at an awesome item by Melissa and Doug. I love their quality of their products, their toys, all wood, all high construction, really great stuff. Again, this is for age 3+. This is a sort, stock, and select vending machine. Kids love vending machines. My granddaughter wanted me to get this, and she absolutely loves these kind of things. She still plays even with the younger stuff, even when she was young. She just loves the quality. They last forever. This is the vending machine playset snack and go is what it's called. It's really cool. Kids love the mechanics of this, how it works, to restock it, the money, pressing the buttons, has all the attributes you would think of. Really cool. It's got 19 pieces in this. Really nice quality. Let's take it apart real quick, show you what's in this kit. I'll leave a link down below. It is an affiliate link, just to be clear and transparent. I do get a small commission if you buy something like this. Helps my channel out. Hopefully I can help you and make a decision for your little one if this is right for them or not. If they love Melissa and Doug, definitely a winner. I love all this stuff. All right, let's take it out of the box. As you can see here, and this is the actual item here. It's acrylic in the front, all wood construction, nice big buttons. So what's in the package? Really simple. We got a sign here that you can actually put the name of your store, your child's name. You can put that on here. And this just slides in on top. Really super easy. That just goes right there. That's easy enough. Here's like a little grocery list that you can actually check off, and this actually sticks onto the side, a little Velcro. This just pops right there, and that's how that works. So that's all that's on the outside. Now, if you're looking at this and say, okay, well, how do I get the stuff out of here? How does this work? Well, you have to turn it around. That's where everything is. So let's just turn this around real quick. Let me just show you what I'm talking about here. And this is where you do all your loading, your unloading. Everything goes right here in the back. Really super smart and simple. This has a little latch right here. Open up the latch. You pop this open. This is where all your toys, all your vending machine items, these are all in this nice bag. All this plastic bag here are some of the toys, and also the money's in here. So everything's all in the bag, super easy. And these here you do have to take out. And you just take these out, you just pull them out towards you slowly, carefully, and you take them out. These are just little props to show you what they look like. So we'll take those out real quick, pop those out. And then all you have to do, and I believe when you press the button, see how it pushes it out. So you put it here. Okay, so it doesn't work that way. So I'm just learning like you are. When you press the button, it actually pushes it out this way. So you just place the item inside, okay? And then when you press the button, you can see, boom, they pop out just like that. See that? Each one of those represents a different slot on the actual toy itself. So that's really all there is to it. There isn't a ton to this. We'll take out some of these toys. I'm gonna fill it up. I'm gonna show you exactly how to use it. You fill it up, and then you just turn it around. And basically you'll set up in the child's room, you'll fill it up, and then you'll have it all set up to go, and then you'll just play. Really pretty simple stuff here, not really complicated, but the mechanics are really cool, right? I mean, that's what kids love to see, the things coming down, putting the money in. It's a lot of fun. And let me set this up. I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. A, B, and C, those are the slots. Let's fill this up and let's play. So you have it all set up to go. I put all the food in here. You can see all the food really clearly. And it's really just that fun. So the kids will put in the different slots here. So different slots have different sizes. So this won't go here. It doesn't really fit here. So the blue goes in the blue. Makes sense, right? The blue goes in the blue. The green one goes with the green one. And the red one goes with the red one here. And then we have the Play credit card. So let's do an example of each one of these. We'll put the blue one in first. We'll pop the blue one in. I just pop that in like that. I guess that's how you do. And say I want the raisins in A3, which is number 3. A, press that, boom, falls down. Here are the raisins. That's cool. That's the example. And this just opens up very easy. This door opens up. You can see that. Let's do the green one next. Here is the green token. Let's pop the green token in, just like that. And let's do B number 2. I want a drink. There goes the drink. Really fun. You can see how really cool you can get really into this. Here is your drink. And then the last one, of course, is the red token here, number 3. It's the easy. We'll pop that in there like that. And let's pick, I'm going to get the C1 right there. Here it comes. And there it is, the C1. You can see how that works. That's awesome. I love that. Now let's just see what this does. I'm not sure if this, so this releases all the coins that come back down. You can see that. You just pop these out of here. And we got 1, 2, and 3. So to release the coins, you just hit that button back down here. And I'm not sure how the credit card works. Let's see how that works. You just slide it in, I guess. Just play, pick out a different number, and bam, that's pretty much how that works. Let's say, again, this is all pretend, and here's a couple of Reese's peanut butter cups, which I love. That's B1. Pop those down, and there you go. All right, guys, well, that's it. There's a quick demonstration how to use the Melissa and Doug vending machine. I'm going to recommend this 1,000%. This is going to last a lifetime, and all your kids are actually going to love it. All the neighbors' kids are going to love it. Absolutely a winner in my book. Appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of video. There'll be a QR code over here. Go ahead and scan that if you're watching this on TV. And also below the field, in the description, there'll be a link for that as well. Again, it is an affiliate link, and I do appreciate your time. And I do appreciate that. It is an affiliate link. I do get a small commission, just to be fair and transparent. Appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review. And thank you for Melissa and Doug for making great products. We love them, the kids love them, and I think they're probably one of the best value for your dollar. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.